Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my video. Today, I have something very helpful for you. Many people tell me, I want to speak English, but I have no partner. I stay at home all day. How can I practice? But listen, you can learn English from your home. You can improve your speaking fast. You don't need a class. You don't need a teacher. You only need daily practice. So today, I will show you simple, smart, and easy ways to practice English at home. Stay with me till the end. Star number one, self-talk practice. This is the easiest method. Just talk to yourself in English. Say small sentences like, I am cleaning my room. I am eating breakfast. I am getting ready for work. I am watching a video. When you talk about your actions, your brain slowly starts thinking in English. At first, it may feel strange, but trust me, this method works like magic. Do it for 10 minutes every day. Your speaking will become faster and smoother. Star number two, listen every day. Your ears are your best teacher. The more you listen, the more you learn. Listen to English YouTube videos, English podcasts, English short stories, simple English news, even English songs. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Your ears will slowly understand the rhythm, tone, and sounds of English. Try to repeat short lines after the speaker. It will improve your pronunciation. Star number three, read easy English daily. Reading is powerful, and you can start with very easy things. Read a short story, a small article, English subtitles, your phone messages, even simple quotes. Read loudly. When you read loudly, your tongue practices English. Your mouth learns how to form English sounds. And your confidence grows. Only 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Star number four, write a few sentences daily. Writing helps your brain build correct sentences. You can write what you did today, what you ate, where you went, what you want to do tomorrow, your plans or dreams. For example, today I woke up early. I made coffee. Then I watched an English video. Very simple, but very powerful. Write 3 to 5 sentences every day. In 1 month, your English will become stronger. Star number five, watch and copy method. This method is super effective. Watch a short English video. Pause it. Repeat the same line. Copy the tone. Copy the accent. Copy the speed. This method helps you sound natural and confident, not robotic. Do it for 5 minutes every day. Star number six, make a mini English routine. You don't need 2 hours. You just need 30 minutes. Do it like this: 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes speaking or writing. That's it. Simple, easy, consistent. If you follow this routine daily, your English will grow very fast, faster than you expect. Star number seven, think in English during daily work. When you cook, think in English. When you walk, think in English. When you travel, think in English. When you clean your room, think in English. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. It becomes natural. It becomes normal. It becomes automatic. Star number 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Please remember this line. Mistakes are your teacher. Everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. But mistakes help you grow. So don't stop. Don't feel shy. Don't lose hope. Your job is to practice every day. The improvement will come slowly, but surely. Final words. Learning English at home is 100% possible. You don't need a partner. You don't need a special place. You just need interest, time, and daily practice. Speak a little, listen a little, read a little, write a little every day. And one day you will speak English easily and confidently. Star number 7, call to action. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep improving. See you in the next video.